Friends, and we are so happy that you are here with us. Right now we will show you how to check the first picture you liked on Instagram. And yes, it's really possible, so if this topic is interesting, let's go to the watching. And the first step is to open our application. So I need to go to the Instagram, and we are on our profile page, as you can check. Later, let's pick on the three lines icon at the top and use your activity, the your activity option. Later, we need to choose interactions and likes. Well done! Right now we are able to check all of the likes, all of the posts and pictures we liked on our account. As you can check, we have the really short list, but if you have an old account, you probably will have the long list here. And to check the first picture you have liked, you just need to pick on the sort and filter inscription at the top and to tap on the first arrow opposite the sort bar option. Later you need to choose the last feature, oldest to newest, and pick on the apply. Wait a minute, and right now, as you can check, it was the first photo, the first picture we liked. It's really very cool that you can without any troubles check your activity and find the needful picture without any troubles. It's really very cool and convenient. And guys, don't forget about this option, which is very useful, your activity option here, because you are able to check all of the likes, stories, replies, comments, reviews, etc. And if this tutorial was interesting, was useful, don't forget to like it below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get access to more cool tutorials and tricks about the Instagram and of course other applications. And have a nice day, have a good luck, bye bye.